Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 3 Rational Numbers Exercise 3B question number 3. So friends, without wasting any time, let's begin. This one is add the following rational numbers. Same thing here, right? First part, what do we have? 1 upon minus 3, and what else do we have? Minus 1 upon 4, right? So first of all, convert this into the standard form as we know, right? This minus sign will be taken here. So minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 4. But you can see that denominators are not the same. So we will find the LCM. 3 and 4, their LCM is 12, right? So 12. And you can see 3 into 4 is 12. So minus 1 into 4. Alright. And plus here minus 1. You can see 4 into 3 is 12. So minus 1 into 3, right? So we will get minus 4, and we open this. Minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3, plus minus is minus, so minus 4 minus 3, right, upon 12. This will be minus 7 upon 12, right? This becomes our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Next up, what do we have in the second part? We've got 7 upon 5, right, and upon 15, and minus 5 upon minus 12, right? So again same thing, convert this to its standard form. So minus minus will cut here, will be left with 5 upon 12, right? Now you simply solve them. So 12 and 15, right, their LCM will be 60, right? So 60 here, and you can see this here, 15 into how many times will we get 60 or 4 times, right? So 7 into 4 plus 12 into 5 is 60, right? So 5 also will be 5 into 5, right? And we'll get here 28 plus 25 upon 60, right? This will be our answer. So solve this. 8 5 is 13, and 1 carried over, so 2 to 4 that will be 5. 53 upon 60. Can this be cancelled? No, 53 is prime, right? So this is our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Now let's move on, right? So this is the third part, and this one is 1 upon 20 and 1 upon minus 30, right? So same thing here, right? You can see that first of all we change this into the standard form. So 1 upon 20 will be as it is, plus this minus sign gets taken to minus 1, so minus 1 upon 30, right? 20 30, their LCM will be 60, and 20 into 3 is basically 60, so 1 into 3, right, plus, and then what else do we have here? Minus 1 into how much? Minus 1 into 2, right? Because 30 into 2 is 60, so minus 1 into 2. This will give us 3 plus, and minus 1 into 2 will be minus 2, so 3 plus minus 2, so this will be, sorry, not plus, this will be 3 minus 2 upon 60, right? This we will solve. So what will we get here? 1 upon 60. This cannot be simplified, right? So this is our answer, 1 upon 60. Now let's move on to the next part. Okay, so next up, what do we have here? We have in the fourth part minus 5 upon 18, right, and 7 upon 24. Same thing, it's already in their standard form, so write it like that, right? Now you can see we don't know that what is the LCM of 18 and 24 since they are big numbers. What we'll do is factorize them, right? 18 and 24. So let's take this by 2, 1, 12. Now by 3, right? So 3 and 4, and now again by 3. So 1 and 4, right? And by 2 now, 1 and 2, and again by 2 here. So 1 and 1, right? So LCM becomes 2 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2, right? This will be 2 into 3 is 6, right? We can solve it like this, right, and like this. So 6 6 is 36, right? And 36 into 2 is 72. So their LCM is 72. So here we'll have 72, right? And what else we can see here is how many times do we get 72 by 18? I think 4 times, right? 18 fours are right, 4 times. So we write here minus 5 into 4, right? And then plus, right? And what else now? We have 24. So 24, let's try 3 times, right? So 24 into 3, 2 and 1, 3, 2, 6, 1, 7, 8, right? 3 times. So 24 3s is 72. So 7 into 3 here, right? And what will this give us? I'll solve it here. So we will get minus 4, so minus 20, right? And plus this will be 21. Now we open the brackets. So what will we get here? Minus 20 plus 21. We will solve them, find the difference. That will be 1 upon 72. And which sign? Plus sign only, right? So this becomes our answer. That is 1 upon 72. Now let's move on to the next part. Right, then next what do we have here is 2 whole 2 upon 7 and minus 3, 7 upon 11. So convert this into improper. 7 to 14 and 1 to 16 upon 7 plus what else do we have? 11 3 33 and 33 7 will be 40, right? Then put a minus sign, so minus 40 upon 11. This will be as 7 and 11, their LCM will be 77, right? So here we'll have 77 and 7 into 11 is 77, right? So 16 into 11, right? And plus 11 into 7 is 77. So minus 40 into 7, right? This will do. 16 into 11, that will be 176, right? So 176, 77, right? And minus 40 into 7, that will be minus 280, right? So minus 280, so plus minus is minus, so minus 280, right? Use this. So what will we get here? Let's subtract them both, right? So 176, so 4, 7 0 and 1, 104, minus sign as well, because you can see plus minus minus. So minus 104 upon 77, right? And this will convert this to the the mixed fraction, right? So what will we get? 177 here, so minus 77. From this, what will be left with? 7 here and 9 minus 2, so 27, right? And 1 times, so we'll get 1 whole 27 upon 77. And which sign will be put? Minus sign, right? Minus 1 whole 27 upon 77. This is our answer. Now let's move on to the next part. Now moving on to the next part, right? This we have here 8 upon minus 57, and what else do we have? Minus 5 upon 76, right? Let's calculate the LCM because these numbers are big. So 57 and 76. I'm not going to write the minus sign for now, right? Just forget about it. So we'll get here. First we can convert this to a standard form, right? So this will be minus 8 upon 57 plus minus 5 upon 76. Now we can find the LCM, right? So 57 and 76, 7 5 12 and 7 6 is 14. No, it won't be divisible. Let's take it out by 2 then, right? So we'll have here 57 here, and this will be 3 and 1 there, so 8, 38. And now by 2 once again, right? So 57 and 1 and 9 there, right? 19. Now 57 and 19, they will go by 19. So this will be 3, this will be 1. Now by 3, so 1 and 1, right? This will be LCM, right, is equal to 2 into 2 into 19 into 3, right? And this will be 2 into 2 is 4, right? And 19 into 3 is 57, right? So 57 into 4, right? We'll do it here, let's say, right, 4, so 8 here and 2 there, so 5 228, right? So their LCM is 228. So we can see here with this 228 in the denominators, right? 57 into how many times will we get 228? 4 times. You can see we have done it here. So 57 into 4 is 228. So minus 8 into 4 and plus, and 76 how many times? You can see here 76. Let's try multiplying it by 3. Let's try, right? So this will be 8 and 1, so 7 3 21 and 2 228, right? 3 times, so minus 5 into 3. All right, and this will be equal to what? Minus 8 into 4 will be minus, I'll open the brackets here only, right? So minus 32, and my 5 into 3 is 15, and minus sign is minus 15, so plus and minus is minus, so minus 32 and minus 15 upon 228, right? So add them now. 32 and 15 will be 7 and 4 47, and minus sign, minus 47 upon 228, right? This becomes a answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourself and bye bye.